Guys, today is something very easy but absolutely classic Italian. We're gonna make a sandwich with burrata, ham, dried tomato, melon and basilico and tomato. Just one thing we have to prepare, okay, is the sandwich. I choose ciabatta, but you can use any bread you like. Okay? Some oil. You want butter? We're gonna make like little bit, you know, like bruschetta. I leave there to cook. 3 minutes is ready, and later we're gonna put everything raw. Okay? As always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We make always cool stuff and al bacio. Anyway, I'll show you when this is ready. Okay, we're gonna flip it. Take the bread. You know, if you like a little bit more, you can leave. It's gonna be your sandwich. You don't have to ask nothing to anybody. Okay, I had some rocket. If you like, you can put some salad because I forgot before. Okay, now I do this way, very easy. Take this beautiful burrata, just break with your hands. How much you like? Not too much because the burrata is quite rich. Now, I add not in this order. Depends how you like to build this sandwich. This is Parma ham. Yeah. Super easy. You know what? I forgot to put some black pepper, a little touch of salt. Now we add this ham. I add 2 dried tomato. Guys, this I recommend thin slice like that. The melon. And 3. It's already. I'm drooling. Couple slice. The fresh one. You see? And basil. I love basil. Guys, the job is done. A little touch of oil. If you hear some noise or sometimes this is my beautiful Frenchie. Oh yeah, guys. It's absolutely delicious. Look at it. You see? Super easy and ready to eat. Guys, this is my classic Italian panino. Easy, beauty, the smell is later is the Italian flag. It's the 3 colors, and guys, this is my panino. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.